Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Car Question. Today we've got a special vehicle to show you. This Jeep Gladiator right there is equipped with a VR, with a tent. You're going to be able to go on an adventure. Frederick, you're going to talk to me what is that, because this is a real unique product here.
So basically it's a product made out in Quebec. So it's made out of fiberglass, really light, really strong, and really made out for anything. So basically, we built this camper to be adapted to any trucks. The camper is really light. We don't need to have any adjustment on the truck. The suspension is still stuck. Everything is stuck. So basically, that's what we're working on it, to be able to have the biggest range of trucks without having to do any modification towards the trucks.
But first of all, when you're going to go on a trip with that, how many days are you going to be able to survive in the wild?
So basically, in the dark, you can last at least 7 days with the water, with everything running. But if you've got the sun, it's even better because the truck will never die, and the camper is really durable, really light, really strong. We've been testing it for 2 years. We've done maybe 35,000 kilometers around Canada and around Quebec.
That's what you need when you go on an
exactly.
adventure.
You need something solid to be able to do some four-wheel drive out in the bush without having to be really worried about lasting with the battery, power, with everything.
So it's a real adventure in itself. What am I going to find base equipment inside?
Inside you've got some heater, you've got a water heater as well, that's pretty quick. A 12-volt fridge, you've also got 2 lithium battery with 200 amps. You've also got a solar panel, roof rack that you can put at least 350 pounds. From there you've also got the toilet with a little cartouche.
Don't forget the toilet.
Yeah, don't forget the toilet. And there's also 2 showers, 1 shower outside, 1 shower inside. So when you're at the beach, you can always have a little quick shower before coming into the Jeep.
Where did you went with that truck on adventure? Name me some place where you got the chance to roll.
So basically we've done some four-wheel drive expedition in the Saguenay floor, and also we've took the car into Cape Cod on the beach. We've done some long distance with it. It's a pretty solid truck and it's really reliable.
That's what I like when I go on adventure. I don't want to be stranded out there. So Frederick, if you want to have more info about what's in the back of that truck, where do we go?
So basically you can reach out on our Facebook, that's NextRV. Otherwise you can go on our website, it's nextrv.com.